Welcome to AMS. Today in this video I will solve a set math problem. This problem looks very complicated, but I will show you in this video how can you solve this question by using a simple trick. So let's start the solution. Our given equation is 2 upon x plus x upon 2 is equal to 3 upon x plus x upon 3. In order to solve this equation, first we multiply both sides of the equation equal to 6x. Why? Because our given equation is in a fraction form, right? It looks like a complicated form. In order to make the simple things, we will multiply both sides of the equation with this 6x. But why with this 6x? This is the main question. Because this 6x is the LCM of the 4 these denominator. That's why we are multiplying with this 6x. So multiply both the side of the equation with this 6x. After multiplying the both side of the equation with the 6x, what will we get? Simply this x cancel out and 12 will be the remainder. Plus sign, then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3x square will be the remainder. Equal x and x cancel out and 18 is here. Plus 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 2x square will be the remainder. Now after multiplying, we will get this equation and now simplify the equation. First, this 2x square will move to the left side of the equation and will change into the minus 2x square. So the left side of the equation will be 3x square minus 2x square. And now this 12 will be moved to the right side of the equation and the right side of the equation will be changed into 18 minus 12. Now 3x square minus 2x square equal to x square and 18 minus 12 is 6. Now apply the square root on the both sides of the equation. So under root x square equal to under root 6. So what will we get? We will get x is equal to plus minus 6 under root 6. Sorry. This under root 6 is the answer of x or the value of x. So I hope this video will be very helpful to all of you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.